Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really cool, and this is the Hot Wheels 2023 edition of 5 pack, and this is the Hot Wheels Remote Adventures 5 pack. So this is a 2023 edition, as I said, and these are the cars we are having inside: Off Duty and 15 Ford F-150 and 21 Ford Bronco and Hyper Rocker. So, and last but not least is the 19 Chevy Silverado Boss. Okay, let's open it and see how it looks. I was actually pretty excited to get this one because it was really hard to find this specific pack. Okay, let's start from the bottom. So here it is. Okay, this one is the Off Duty. The casting looks really nice. I'm personally not a fan of Hot Wheels own vehicles, but this one looks really nice. It has huge set of tires. The paint job is really nice. The 2023 edition of every car, the paint job is really nice. Okay, let's get to the next one. I think this is the Hyper Rocker, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is the Hyper Rocker. Okay, this looks really sick. Look at this. The wheels are really huge. And the pattern looks really nice here. It's on the inside, but it still looks really nice. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this is the Ford F-150, and man oh man, this looks really nice. The matte finish red and with this dirt covered kind of what you can say, paint job. Yeah, paint job here. The wheels looks really amazing on this one. So each set of wheels, it looks really nice. I think this and this one, it's kind of similar. If you see, these two are kind of similar. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is the Ford Bronco. I always wanted to get one of the Broncos, but finally I got one in this 5 pack. But so far all of this castings, these three including this one, so it doesn't have any weight. It literally feels like a paper. But the paint job looks really amazing, and the finish looks really good. It's really nice. And luckily this one has rear view mirrors, which you can't find in most of the Hot Wheels, at least in the base series. I really wish they had some kind of fiber in here, for the headlights, because that would look really sick when it comes to the Broncos. The wheel movement is really smooth. It doesn't make even any noise. See? Okay. So here is the last one, which is the Chevy Silverado. Okay, this one looks really awesome. And the tires looks really nice. It has this chrome finishing, the trunks and inside. And this also has that rear view mirrors. The paint job looks really amazing on this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. That would help me to put out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.